Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and I am Ina, and today I'm gonna share with you guys my personal review and experience with ALANI new balance. I have watched a ton of videos about it and how much it has helped other people, so I was super excited. They said your skin is gonna glow and you're gonna just look amazing afterwards. I mean, after a while too. And that moment when I bought ALANI new, my skin was actually doing really well. I wasn't getting any hormonal breakouts at the moment, at least the 2 weeks in that time before. And when I googled it and everything, and I thought, I mean, it wouldn't hurt. It's a great product, and I just want to boost my skin to next level because I have had a bad texture to my skin, and obviously it wasn't perfect. So I really hoped to get like my skin to a next level, I would say. So I bought it. It cost me $50 at GNC, and I start taking it. So as soon as I started taking it, I have developed two big cystic pimples on my forehead. Well, I thought the balance thing should help you with inflammation and everything that is going on in your body, and there's a lot to it. So I mean, the balance review, let's start with that, because balance review is supposed to balance your hormones. You will get amazing sleep and your mood is gonna be wonderful. Like, it will be better than usual. And once I started taking them, these two pimples that I had, there's nothing I could do to them. There's like the internal ones, they're the worst, and they weren't going away at all, like as if nothing is happening in my body. All it's happening is actually like just inflammation. It wasn't even subsiding, those pimples that I had. So I was like, that's weird. Okay. I also started to break out a few spots here and here, and I was really confused because I'm like, I didn't had anything the 2 weeks before. My skin was happy, nothing was going on, and now I'm breaking out, and I was a little bit confused at that. Sleep. My sleep went from great. I usually have great sleep in general. Very rarely do I have sleepless nights. Either I get too tired of, I have wonderful sleep. I'm out and I sleep till the morning and it's nice. The week I started taking them, I had the worst sleepless nights I had in a while. I would say horrible sleep pattern. I wasn't sure what was going on. I'm like, maybe I should keep taking them because, I mean, I never know, like, what if it's like purging and there's something going on. I don't know, but it gave me bad sleep, very bad. Also about the mood. My mood, I'm usually a calm person. I was crying. I had breakdowns. I felt like I was on my period the whole week, and I wasn't. So that kind of explains the reaction my body took this pill for. And again, I would really honestly say, if you I still have nothing against it, because people have shown amazing results with their hormonal acne, and I think it balances people out and gives them amazing results. And people have bad periods actually have amazing after they start taking them. Mine was the opposite, and I think the reason is because my periods are actually pretty well. Like, I the only worst day I have is day 1, and then the rest is peace. I don't have any like bad side effects, or I'm in pain, or I have to take any pain medications. So in that level, I didn't, it actually like kind of made it worse in every level for me. So I think it's for people who actually have bad bad time of the month and their acne is at its worst. I think it would probably help those people, and I feel like if you have nothing to hope for, this would be the product to try out. And it was quite amazing too, because I took it back to GNC. They took it back. I told them I took it for about a week and a half worth of pills. They had no questions. They said, we'll take it back, no problem. They were quite surprised I turned it back, because he said nobody ever turned it back. It's an amazing, like, it has done a lot for people. But my summary is, for people with acne and hopes of doing something well to their skin, is sometimes when your skin is happy, when it's doing wonderful, your hormones are not going crazy, don't do anything, even if it's good. Just don't touch it. Don't touch your hormones, because once once I took this pill, I stopped taking those pills. It took me about 2 weeks or more to get my sleep back to normal, to get my skin back to normal. It was surprising. As soon as I stopped taking them, my 2 hugest annoying pimples start to deflate. I was so confused, and obviously if I had bad acne and I would take it and I had it worse, I would think it's purging, and that's okay. But because I had none, at least at 2 weeks in, my skin was actually happy, and I assume my hormones were just fine because I wasn't breaking out every day. That totally took me back to the pill, and I'm thinking this has to do with that. And it did, because as soon as I took it off, my skin is back to normal, and I haven't had like the hormonal ones come out. So that kind of relates to this. So this is my honest review of ALANI Nu. I hope, honestly, if you can try it. You never know, it could do amazing things for you. Just wanted to share my side of story and my side of personal review. So I'm glad you came over to my channel to watch this video. I have other interesting topics and interesting videos, and I hope you like this. Subscribe, like, comment below if you have tried it, it have worked for you or not, or if you're going to try it. I mean, I still have nothing against it, and I hope to see you guys soon, and till next time.